In this video, we're going to be talking about how to mirror your iPhone screen to your MacBook. So let's just get straight into the video, shall we? So first things first, you need to go ahead and have full control by logging in both into your macOS and then your iPhone with your Apple ID. Now, all you need to do is simply head into your settings. And now once you're inside of settings, all you need to do is simply go ahead and look for mirror tool right over here, as you can see. And click on iPhone mirroring. Make sure that it is all turned on right over here, and on iPhone mirroring, make sure that your MacBook is connected right over there. Now, all you need to do is simply pull down your control center and you will have this option. But if you don't have this option, simply hold on your screen, click on add a control, and then simply add screen mirroring from here. So once you click on that, you can simply go ahead and mirror your iPhone onto your MacBook just like that by clicking on it. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next